Tiger Shark and Bone Shaker mode.
Wow, are we gonna play that?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. Bone Shaker. This is Tiger Shark.
Is that how you play it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Funny.
Wow, they're both dancing.
What?
They're both dancing. It's spinning.
I get like we're fighting. Dancing.
That's Bone Shaker, and that is Tiger Shark.
Spin, spin. Whee! The first one is the circle is the spinning. I'm a cool. Tiger Shark stop and she stop and Tiger Shark spin. Oh no! And I win.
Oh no, mommy lost.
I'm gonna hit you. Wow, wow, wow. I'm gonna hit you there.
Okay, thank you for making me. What happened to me? Woo.
Can you help me? Help me. Help me.
Ooh.
Help me. Help me. Help me. Can you help me? Can you help me?
Okay, we're gonna help Tiger Shark. Oh, no.
Yeah. It's good. Tiger Shark.
It won't spin, Zach. What happened?
Spinning now.
That's how you play the monster truck.
Yeah. Backwards. Backwards.
Okay, backward. That's how Zachary wants to play it.
Don't take it from me.
Who's gonna win?
Me.
Oh, you. Okay.
I win a million, Mommy. I won. I'm stuck. I help you. I help you. I help you. Get down there. Okay. There you go. Okay. I cannot. Okay. Mommy's forget. Oh.
Oh, good job, Zach. Don't stop me.
Okay. I'm gonna win. Wait. People spinning. Look at me up.
Tiger Shark. Who's gonna win?
Me.
No, Bone Shaker.
Oh, she's good. Oh, I win the yo-yo.
Oh no! Alright. We're gonna show your other monster truck later, okay?
Okay.